Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode of No Matter Garage. We were out of town last week and stuff happened. No. Jacob!
I'm behind the camera.
Did you do that?
No, not this time. Hey, Dad, did you see this dent in the Renegade?
Future episode. No. So we need to get some ATF for the Nomad.
Got it.
We need to take the tire in to get it patched.
Patched.
Man, you're fast, kid.
Movie magic, Dad.
And we're going to use the Bronco.
But the Bronco doesn't have a face.
Temporary face installed.
Why is there tranny fluid underneath the transmission of the Nomad if you just rebuilt it?
I think the way it works is if it hasn't been driven in a while, we haven't driven it in at least a few weeks, the fluid just starts coming out of the torque converter and it will find any orifice it can to ooze out of onto the floor. The goal of this video, I'd like to replace the battery cables. They're scary bad, no big deal. I'd also like to get rid of the clicky-clack electric fuel pump and go back to the mechanical one. I think there was an issue with the filter that was on there. It's plastic, the end of it got twisted up like a pretzel, wasn't letting gas through, so I went to the clicky-clack. But I'm gonna try this again to run it through the mechanical fuel pump, and that way I can run everything off the key, get rid of the funky switches up in the dashboard, put in a radio. I got the ignition working, wiring in the ignition, that's good. You may recall from a previous episode, a loud whining sound coming from the front end. Initially, I thought it might be a bearing. However, after disassembling the bearings and brakes, it turns out that one brake hold-down pin was 1/8 inch too long. This allowed excessive movement of the shoe. Once replaced, it turns quietly as it should.
Good job, Dad. Did you figure that out on your own?
Yeah, I didn't even have to YouTube it. Here's a quick recap. Replace the cables. Actually, it's got a red one going to positive, which is good now. And got a new black ground cable. Ran some new wiring. Replaced the solenoid cable. This was looking a little crunchy. And put in a ballast resistor where there was none. Took the click-clack fuel pump out. It's running off the mechanical fuel pump now. It's getting gas off the filter, which is good. Now we got everything running off the keys. There's no more switches. Get up there. Thanks for watching No Matter Garage. Click to subscribe if you'd like, and we'll see you on the next episode. Hey, Jacob?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be there?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you.